Hey, what is up, YouTube? It is Tech Jeff here with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I want to show you how you can talk and text for free through Wi-Fi on your iPhone device. There's an app you can download on the App Store. It's called TextNow. We can go ahead and show you how you can download that. If you go in, pull up your App Store on your iPhone, and then you go ahead and go into searching up TextNow. And you can go ahead and download that app, and it'll allow you to have a real phone number, and you're allowed to share. It's free. You can do unlimited text and call through Wi-Fi. It allows you you can use it through your Wi-Fi or your mobile network. So this allows you to have your own real phone number. You can share your photos, videos, and much more. We can go ahead and show you what it would be if you download the app right here. Go ahead and okay, you go ahead, and as you can see here, I'm logged in, but it does not say I have a number yet. We can get a number for myself here. If you go to my numbers, and we can get a first number for free. As you can see, the first number is free. You can get an American number, UK number, or you can get a Canadian number. We can go ahead and do the American number, and we can pick any number we want. We can go ahead with the California area code, and there it is. You got your free number, and you can text from this number. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and make sure you give a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.